So what is full mouth letter? The full mouth letter are also called Mustalia letters. What it is called?
Mustalia letters.
Yes, and the full mouth letters are 7. What are those? Read it.
What? No.
Which one? Kha. Kha. See, full mouth letter means you have to make your lips round. So make your lips round while saying all these letters. Kha.
Kha. Ka.
Not like that. Take out the sound of k. K. Kha.
Kha.
Next.
Ka. Ra.
Hmm.
Ghain.
Hmm. It is not ghain. Don't say ghain. Make your lips round.
Ghain.
Hmm.
Sad. Rad. Kha.
No. It's
Kha.
qaf. Q. Q. Take out sound like this. Q. Q. Qaf.
Qaf.
Yes. So, kha, ta, za, ghain, sad, dad, qaf. These 7 letters are full mouth letters and they are also called Mustalia letters. While saying these letters, we have to make our lips what? Spread or round?
Round.
Round, yes. Good. Next. Now tell me what is Harakat? See, this is a revision class. Okay, now can you tell me what is Harakat?
Harakat.
Zabar, Zair, Pesh are called Harakat.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Zabar, Zair, Pesh, it's called Harakat.
And Harakat are recited quickly.
Harakat is recited quickly.
Yes, they are recited quickly, neither prolonged nor recited with a jerk, like ba, zabar, ba. This is correct. And if you will say ba, zabar, ba, is it correct or wrong?
No, it's wrong.
Yes, it's wrong. Because the harakat, zabar, zair, pace should be recited quickly. B, t, jim, zabar, j, kha, zabar, kha, dal, zabar, da, not kha, b, t. No, we are not going to prolong it. Okay, and they are not recited with jerk even, like b, t, not like this. No jerk. In Hamza Sakin we apply jerk. Okay. Next is, and Harakat is equal to only 1 count. This we have discussed already. Now let's see. Okay, I will be highlighting few words and you have to tell me, you have to recite those one. Wait a second. Say these two.
Ain zabar a, ba zabar ba, dal zabar da.
What is the rule? If you are reading 2 letters and then you have to pronounce ab. Now again read the next letter.
Ba zabar ba, lam zabar la, bala, ghain zabar qa, bala, balagha.
Yes. One more. This one.
Din zabar sa, din zabar ja, saja, Dal zabar da. Sajada.
Yes. So this was a lesson about Zabar. Okay, now let's see Zair. What is Zair?
Kasra.
Zair sound go
Kasra.
upward or downward? Zair sounds goes downward. Like Hamza Zair E, Ba Zair B. Okay, Ta Zair Ti. Now let me highlight few words for you. Start.
Zabar ha.
It is not ha. It is not ha.
Ha.
What is it?
Ha.
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 No. Ha. What is the
Ha.
articulation point of ha? Ha comes out from the middle part of the throat.
Middle part of the throat.
Yes.
Ha.
Ha.
Zabar ha.
No. Give some effort on your throat. Ha.
Ha. Ha.
See, when you drink a cold water in this summer, you after drinking cold water, we say ah. Take out that sound.
Ah.
That is but here you have to take out ha.
Ha. Ha.
No, you need to practice more and more. Ha zabar ha.
Ha. Zabar ha.
Why ha? Ha zabar ha. Press your throat.
Ha. Zabar ha.
Good. Next letter.
Mim. Zair mi. Hami.
Good.
Dal zabar da. Hamida.
Very good. See, when you are focusing on the particular letter, then see, you can say it correctly. If you will read casually, then what will happen? You won't be able to be perfect in Tajweed. So you have to focus. Next.
Sin zabar sa. Kha zair koi.
Not khui. Kha zir khi.
Sa.
Khi.
Kha zair khi. Saqi. Ra zabar ra. Saqira. Saqira.
Next.
Kha zabar kha.
Kha. Your sound should be like this.
Kha.
Kha zabar kha.
Kha zabar kha. Kha zair tui. Kha tui.
Kha tui. Kha tui.
Kha tui. Kha tui. Fa zabar fa. Kha tui fa.
Yes. Next.
Sin zabar sa. Sa. O zair. No. Ka zair ki.
No, it is not kaf, it is qaf. Qaf zir qi saqi.
Saqi. Min zabar ma. Saqima.
Yes, good. Next. अस्सलामु अलैकुम। आज हमने रिवीजन टेस्ट लिया हुरूफ-ए-मुस्तालिया और हरकात का। स्टूडेंट ने कुछ मिस्टेक्स की और उनकी प्रॉपर करेक्शन भी की गई ताकि प्रोनाउंसिएशन और ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाए। अगर आप भी अपने बच्चों को तजवीद के साथ कुरान पढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। कमेंट में लिखिए रिवीजन क्लास और चाहिए। और अगर आप ऑनलाइन कुरान क्लास ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए कॉन्टैक्ट पर मैसेज करें। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।